welcome back to Physio YouTube channel. This is episode 3 of our clinical Pilates series, and today we're going to go through some more basic level 1 moves. So in case you didn't know, I'm Ciara from Physio and Chartered Physio, and we're trying to guide our clients and anybody watching through this exercise class. Level 1 means that it's for beginners or for people that are currently having pain. It might be back pain, neck pain, hips or knees. Either way, hopefully we can follow along and give you the guidance to do it safely. But remember a golden rule: if you're in any doubt, you must get it checked out by your healthcare professional or your chartered physio. So here we go, let's get started. On to the ends of our mats. A little warm up first of all. We're going to start with those roll downs. This is your first episode watching this and you haven't done Pilates before. We recommend you go back to episode 1 where we go through all the basics and we'll teach you the moves that I'm talking about as we go through, and it'll make it easier. So starting with our roll ups, feet together, legs straight. You're going to take a breath in, and as you breathe out, you're going to roll down from a head down, shoulders down, chest down. You're going to reach down, down and down. Now as you can see, that's me. I can't go any further. It's pulling right down my legs, which is completely normal. You might be able to go right down to the floor, even getting your hands flat. That's great. Well done you. I'm stiff as anything. Just hold it there. There should be no back pain. If you're feeling it across your back, you might want to come up slightly. Here we go. Up together. Hips up. Back up. Chest up. Shoulders up. 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe out and come down. Head first. Shoulders down. Chest down. Every part of that spine is going to come down, down and down. Reach in as far as you can. Hold it for 2, 1. Up we come. Hips up. Back up. Chest up. Shoulders up. Head up. Last one. Breathe in. Breathe out and come down. Head. Shoulders. Chest. Reach down. Down and down. Hold it. We go. Hips up, back up, chest up, shoulders up, head up, and relax it off. Some side tilting now. So you're just going to bring the feet shoulder width apart. You're going to stay up nice and tall, but we're going to run our right hand down the side of our right leg. Here we go. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, reach down. So you're just going to slide that hand. I'll do it this way so you get a better view of it. Down, far as you feel that you can. Up to the center and relax. Breathe in and down the other way. So just coming down, and you'll feel this sort of stretching here, pinching here. That's normal. Back up to the top and relax it off. 1 more each way. Breathe in, breathe out and come down. Back up to the top. Relax off. Down the other side. Breathe in, breathe out and come down. Back up to the top and relax it off. We're going to come down onto our mats now into our starting position. So just nice and smooth down onto your knees. You're going to get that little folded up hand towel or your Pilates block at the end of your mat, and we're going to come down into our starting position. So nice and gently roll it down. Head on the block. Just to remind everyone of that perfect starting position. Head is in neutral. You're looking at the ceiling in front of you. We're not looking left or right. Chin slightly tucked down. Hands are on the mat. Shoulders relaxed. We have a gap between our feet and knees. The knees are bent up with our feet close to our bum. Neutral position now with that pelvis. So we're going to start by pelvic tilting. You're going to rock those hips back into the mat, pushing that back flat into the mat. We go through this in detail in episode 1, so if you don't quite know what I'm talking about here, go back and have a look on episode 1. And then tilt away. There's a big gap now between me and the mat. That's pelvic tilting all the way into the mat. 1 more time. Tilt down. All the way up. And you mightn't be able to get full range here if it's catching on your lower back. You just do what you feel you can. And then back halfway. Nice and relaxed. Now we're going to get that core contraction before we do anything at all. So shoulders nice and relaxed. You're going to take a breath in. And as you breathe out, you're going to draw that tummy muscle gently towards the mat, pulling that belly button in. You're going to pull up that pelvic floor. Imagine that you're stopping yourself going to the toilet. Nothing moves, that pelvis stays in neutral, ribs stay nice and relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Let that contraction go. 2 more. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, gently pull in that tummy, pull up that pelvic floor. Hold it for 2, 1, and let it go. 1 more. Breathe in. Breathe out and squeeze. Tummy tight, pull up that pelvic floor. Hold it for 2, 1, and let it go. First exercise of today's class is heel slides. So what we're going to do here is we're going to slide, we're going to start in this left leg, slide the heel down the mat, we're going to bring it up again, but we're going to really concentrate on keeping the pelvis and these hip bones still while we're doing it. So make sure we're in neutral to begin with, hands flat on the mat. We're going to start with the left leg. You're going to take a breath in for me. And as you breathe out, you're going to get that core contraction. Make sure the right leg stays still. You're going to slide that left leg down the mat. Go down, down, and down. Now hold it at the bottom. If you've got it right, you shouldn't have moved that back at all. If you've got it slightly off, you'll have tilted the back, come away from the mat. Now you're out in neutral. So you've got to make sure you keep that pelvis in neutral. Core tight. Slide that heel in, and relax. Right leg, breathe in, core tight. Slide that heel down, 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 and down. Hold it, we're in neutral. Left leg is still, tummy tight. Slide it up, 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 and up. I'm going to go up my mat because my long legs are coming off the end of it. Just bumping is throwing my pelvis off a little bit. Back to the left leg. Core tight. Slide the left leg down, 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 and down. Focus on that contraction. Staying in neutral. Slide it up, 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 and up. Relax at the top. Right leg. Core tight. Slide the right leg down, 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 and down. Working hard with that tummy. Come up, 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 and up. Relax at the top. Core tight. Left leg down, 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 and down. Tummy tight. Left leg up, 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 and relax.
Where should you feel that?
Tummy tight. Right leg down. That's Ollie coming from behind the camera. Right now you're going to feel it on the front of the leg, that hip flexor and quad. Tummy, as you're holding that tummy in. Should be nice and gentle. We use this really as a level 1 exercise for most back pain patients as you're starting to get the leg moving while keeping that control at the back. So it's a nice and gentle one, but tops of the legs and in that tummy. Certainly not in that back. Left leg down, 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 and down, and up, 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 and relax. Core tight. Right leg down, 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 and down. This is really focusing on control. Right leg up, 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 and up. Core tight. Right leg down. No, that's my left leg. Down, down, and down. Left leg up, 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 and relax. Tummy tight. Right leg down, 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 and down. Trying to keep that contraction at the bottom is the tricky part. And up, 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 and relax. We have one more on each leg. Keep working. Core tight. Left leg down, 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 and down. Left leg up, 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 and relax. Core tight. Right leg down, 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 and down. going to straighten the left leg down on the mat. You're going to bring that right knee to your chest, hands around the knee. You're going to pull that knee in towards your tummy and over to the opposite shoulder. Just stretching that bum cheek out now. Hold it for 3, 2, 1. Relax off slightly. Pull in and over. Feeling that stretch on the bum cheek. 3, 2, 1. Relax off slightly. Pull in and over. 3, 2, 1. Relax it off. Foot to the mat. Slide that leg out. Other leg in. Knee to chest. Pull in and over. You'll feel it down there. Hold it for 3, 2, 1. Relax off slightly. Pull in and over. 3, 2, 1. Relax off slightly. Pull in and over. 3, 2, 1. And relax it off. Now just knees are bent up again, and we're going to bring it in to side lion. You're going to roll over onto your side. This is called the clam. Now when we're in side lion for our starting position here, you want to bring that arm up overhead, and the block or your rolled up towel is going to go between your ear and your arm. So you've got that neck in neutral. One of the common mistakes we see here is the head is ducked down in this position, but that neck is bent forward, not neutral, so you want to come overhead like this. If the shoulder is sore, or there's some reason you can't get that arm overhead, you can just use a pillow and have the pillow on the side like this with the hand tucked down here. If there's no problem with the shoulder, get it up overhead, get that block between your ear and your arm. Now, starting position, you're going to bring your knees together, knees towards your tummy, feet towards your bum. You want to be right perfectly in a straight line on your side, and you're going to here focus on your core contraction like we would if we're on our back. The neutral pelvis is the same. So in side lion, you can tilt that pelvis back like we would on the mat, arch it away, and then come back halfway, and that should see center. So it's the same pelvic tilting motion in side lion. One more time. You tilt that pelvis back as if you're flattening your back into the mat. You arch it away, and then you come back halfway, and that should see you perfect in your side lion position. I think I'm a bit wonky on the mat, so it looks a bit fine. Is that alright, Ollie?
Yeah, it looks good. Just can't really distinguish your legs.
We'll see in a second when we're doing the exercise. So, for the exercise, knees towards the tummy, feet towards the bum. Neck is in neutral. What we're going to do here is keep our feet together and move our knees apart. So here we go. I'll talk you through it then with the teaching points. Before you move anything, you're going to tighten that tummy. Pull in that lower part of the tummy, pull up the pelvic floor. Keep the feet touching here and lift that knee up, up, up. Now the temptation is to get the knee up further that you tilt back. But now we're totally out of neutral and we're arched back. So no matter what you do, you've got to keep that neutral position. How high that knee comes up is going to depend on how stiff that hip is. So I can't get that high, but that's the end of my range. If you've got nice flexible hips, you might be able to get that knee facing more towards the ceiling. You go as far as you can without tilting back. You bring it down and then you relax that contraction. Tummy tight. Lift the knee up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. I'm starting to feel that on 2 reps. God. Tummy tight. Lift the knee up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. So already I can feel it on the outside of that leg. Back is nice and comfortable. There should be no pain across there. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Breathing through it. Bring it down and relax. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Really feeling that burn on the outside of the leg now. It's all good. Bring it down and relax. We have 3 more on this side. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. Last two. Keep working for me. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. We're not rocking back. Bring it down and relax. Last one. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Hold it now. Hold it at the top for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down and relax. All in that leg. Well done. Just bring it on to the other side. So straight away work on the other side. I'm going to flip over this way just so that you can see me, but you can just turn and face the other direction. So perfect side lying again. Hand up above. Block between the ear and the arm. We're in that perfect side lying position. Knees towards your tummy. Feet together. Get that spare hand up on your hip. Neck in neutral. Alright. Ready to go on this side? Feet together. Remember, knees apart. Here we go. 10 good reps. We want to feel it burning on the outside of that bum cheek. Tummy tight. Feet together. Lift that knee up, up, up. Don't rock back on me. Bring it down and relax. Breathing through it. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Back should be completely comfortable here. Should all be in the leg. Bring it down and relax. That's 2. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. Relaxing that contraction at the bottom. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. That's 4. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. That's 5. And we're really feeling it burning now in here. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. High as you can without rocking back. Bring it down and relax. Last 4 now. Keep working. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. 2 more. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Bring it down and relax. Last 1. Tummy tight. Lift up, up, up. Bring it down and relax it off. Just bring that block underneath your head. Come round onto your back. Straight away for me, you're going to bring one knee into the chest and the other. Cross the feet over. You're going to pull those knees towards the chest and relax off. Pull in and relax off. And 1 more. Pull in. And then if you feel you can and the back allows, you're going to roll yourself up into sitting. Alright, if you can't and your back is sore, you come into side lying and then round into 4-point kneeling. So round we go into 4-point kneeling. We want to get that starting position right to begin with. So your hands are going to be underneath your shoulders, knees in line with your hands. We're going to find our neutral position in this, in 4-point kneeling. And what we do is we use our cat and camel, which was from episode 2 if you missed it, our cat and camel to find this neutral position. So what you're going to do for me, keeping the arms and legs straight, you're going to put your head down, tuck the bum in, imagine that you're getting that spine to the ceiling, and then switch. Head up, stick that bum out for me. And then we're going to come back halfway, and we're in that neutral position. We know we're there because we don't have too much of an arch. our back isn't too high, and we're looking at the mat between our hands. That's our perfect neutral position in 4-point Newton. Now, in this position, we're going to focus on our core contraction before we do this arm stretch exercise. So you're going to take a breath in for me, and as you breathe out, you're going to pull in that tummy muscle, pull up that pelvic floor. So that belly button is going towards the spine, pulling up that pelvic floor as if you're stopping yourself going to the toilet, and then relax it off. And I like this position because you can feel it nearly dropping down as you relax off. 2 more for me. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, get that tummy contraction, pull up that pelvic floor. One of the mistakes that happens in class is as they squeeze their tummy, they do that. Now you're out of neutral. You should be able to isolate that contraction without moving that spine. Relax that contraction off. 1 more good one. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, tummy tight and hold. 3, 2, 1, and relax off. Now we're going to get into an exercise in this position. We're going to hold this neutral position using our core contraction while stretching our arms out, and then up, down, and in. Now I want you to focus on keeping every single thing still except the shoulder that you're moving. We're going to start on our right side. Just follow my cues. So we're in that neutral position. You're going to take a breath in. As you breathe out, you're going to get that core contraction. I want you to reach your right hand out along the mat first, and then lift that shoulder up in front. Keep that neck neutral, chin tucked down. Bring that hand down to the mat, and then right back into position. Left hand, breathe in. As you breathe out, core tight, slide the left hand out, lift up, keep that neck in neutral, chin down, looking at the mat. Bring the arm down, back into that neutral position, then let the contraction go. Right side, breathe in, core tight, right arm goes out, lift up, and you'll spot my dodgy right shoulder here compared to the left if you're watching. Bring it down, back in, relax off. Breathe in, core tight, left hand goes out and up, everything else stays still, down and in. Breathe in, core tight, right hand out and up. It really doesn't go as high, that right one, stiff. Down and in. Let that contraction go. You're concentrating on this tummy, keeping that spine still. 2 more on each side. Breathe in, core tight, left hand out and up, down and in. Breathe in, core tight. As you breathe out, right hand out and up, down and in. Breathe in, core tight, left hand out and up, down and in. Just bring that bum to the heels, reach those hands out in front, stretch it off, relax it down. Just push that chest towards the mat, hold it nice and still there. And relax it off. Our last exercise in this episode is back down onto our tummy into that prone position, as we call it. So you're going to bring that block back in, or that rolled up towel, onto the end of your mat, and you're going to bring it down onto your tummy. Now, in class, for some of our patients that have got back pain, what we normally do here is we place a pillow under their hips, which means that they're not in that completely flat position, and they often find it more comfortable. So if you're at home and you find that you really can't lie on your tummy, just try with a pillow underneath to see if it's more comfortable. But as always, if you're in any doubt, you get it checked out by your healthcare professional or your chartered physio. So for this exercise, down onto our tummies, forehead only on the block or that rolled up towel, and you're going to put your hands nice and relaxed by your side. So starting position here, there's a gap between the feet, legs are nice and relaxed. You let those shoulders roll all the way down onto the mat. Let that tension go. forehead's on the block, that chin is tucked down. Now neutral position in here. So remember from our last episode, we push that pubic bone into the mat. So that pubic bone right on front, push it firmly into the mat, and then lift it away from the mat. And then go back down halfway. That's your neutral in this position. Let's do one practice of our core contraction before we get started. You're going to take a breath in. And as you breathe out, just lift that tummy away from the mat towards your spine. Pull up that pelvic floor. And relax it off. You'll feel that tummy coming back down as you relax off. Now for this exercise, we're going to work on our shoulder blades. We're going to concentrate on leaving our head on the block, leaving our chest on the mat, and rolling those shoulder blades back and together. I'll talk you through it. You're going to keep your hands, your palms are facing the ceiling, keep your hands by your side and on the mat for this exercise. So start with the shoulders nice and relaxed, neutral pelvis. You're going to take a breath in, and as you breathe out, you're going to get that core contraction. You're going to roll the shoulder blades off the mat. I want you to squeeze those shoulder blades together. Imagine that the shoulder blades are coming back and down towards your bum cheeks. Don't have it riding up towards your ears. It's back and down. Sliding those fingertips down the mat as you squeeze the shoulder blades together. Leave the fingertips in contact with the mat, and then relax it all the way down, down and down. Hope we've got that. Does it look okay, Ollie?
Looks good.
Breathe in. Core tight. Roll the shoulder blades back and down. Keep the hands on the mat. Tummy tight when you're rolling those shoulder blades. Squeeze. Place it down and relax off. 8 more. Breathe in. Core tight. Shoulder blades come up. Squeezing them together. Hold. Tummy tight. 2, 1. Place it down and relax. And you'll feel this between the shoulder blades. Nice and normal. Breathe in. Core tight. Roll the shoulder blades. Hold. 2, 1. Place it down and relax. Breathe in. Core tight. As you breathe out, shoulder blades come together. Squeeze those shoulder blades back towards the bum cheeks. Squeeze them together. And relax it down. That's halfway. 5 more. Breathe in. Core tight. As you breathe out, roll the shoulder blades. Hold. 2, 1. Relax it all the way down. Last 4. Core tight. Roll those shoulder blades. Squeeze and hold. 2, 1. Roll it down, down and down. Last 3. Breathe in. As you breathe out, tummy tight. Roll those shoulder blades. Squeeze them together. 2, 1. Let it relax all the way down. Final 2. Breathe in. As you breathe out, tummy tight. Roll those shoulder blades. Squeeze them together. 2, 1. Relax the shoulder blades. Then relax that tummy. Last 1. Breathe in. Tummy tight. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Keep that tummy tight as you're squeezing those shoulder blades together. Bring it down. And relax it off. Good stuff. Just bring those hands back up towards your ears. Slide that block out of the way. You're going to bring yourself back into 4-point kneeling. Bring those knees in slightly. Bum to heels and stretch it out. Good stuff. Reaching those hands out in front. I'm just going to get you to bring both hands over to the right hand side of your mat. Push that chest towards the floor. Down as far as you comfortably can. Back to center. And over to the left. Back to center. Bring it up into 4-point kneeling. Remember these transitions, we want to go nice and smooth now to standing. So you're going to get that left foot flat on the mat. Use your fingertips to help the right foot beside it. Legs now are going to come nice and straight as we do one of our roll-ups. Hips up, back up, chest up, shoulders up, head up, and relax. All right, let's get the spine moving to finish it off. You're going to take a breath in, and as you breathe out, head down, shoulders down. Now come all the way down, each segment of that spine, stretching down, down and down, head down, reach down. I want you to just gently shift your weight from your heels to your toes. Feel that extra pressure on the backs of the legs. No pain in the back here, reach down. Nice and slowly up we come, hips up, back up, chest up, shoulders up, head up. 2 more, breathe in, breathe out and come down. Head down, shoulders down, chest down, reach down, down and down. Hold it, 2, 1, up we come, hips up, back up, chest up, shoulders up, head up. Last one, breathe in, breathe out and come down. Head down, shoulders down, chest down, reach down, let it go all the way down. Last one now, hips up, back up, chest up, shoulders up, head up, and you're there. Relax it off. Good, that was episode 3, well done. That's your 30 minutes Pilates done for the week. Come back to us where we've got another level 1 option, and then if you're feeling it's easy, we have 3 level 2 options for you to go to as well. Well done everyone, and remember, no back or neck pain. If you're in any doubt, get it checked out. Thanks for watching.